Formal education will making you as a living. Self-education will making you as a fortune. When you look at the successful person, whether it's a self-education or formal education, how it comes, how he grown up. In our successful life, what is the contribution from formal education or self-education? The formal education, the schools, colleges, the traditional learning. The self-education, so improve ourselves, the practical training, the experience we are getting from the society, working areas, all the places. Whether theoretical or practical, which one is better? Based on that, we can classify the person as a 4 types of people. Number 1, formal education, successful in life. They are the persons, they are successful in life, they are highly qualified, the doctors, CEO, engineers, or CAs. They are very rich, they are having huge money, they are tasted the success, they are successful in their life. Number 2, formal education, failure in life. They may be highly educated, but they are very poor. They are not able to sustain in the success, or they are not able to taste the success. They are not able to reach the position. The knowledge, the formal education will not help you to reach the position. They are facing the failure in their life. Whichever area they are concentrating, they are facing failure. Number 3, self-education. Self-education, successful in life. They are the person based on the practical experience. They improved themselves. They are focusing on themselves. They are investing themselves. They wanted to grow based on their experience. What are the learnings from the past? They come out from that. They are the person entrepreneurs, the small SME persons. They are focusing on the learning based on the practical experience, that quality of life. They are success in their life. And the 4th one is a self-education, failure in life. They are the person, they are not taking any steps ultimately, so they are not growing, they are going to see the failure in their life. So whether it's a formal education or self-education, which one is very important? Because both are having successful and failure. Reality is, the quality is, the leadership is really matters. How they are looking into their life, what is their perspective, are they taking any action, how they come up with that, are they realize what they want, are they having the desired goal, are they showing the individuality? If the person showing their individuality, the quality performance, consistently taking action, the person having the burning desire to achieve their goal, whether it's a formal education or self-education, definitely they're going to win. Definitely they're going to taste the success. For that, what they have to do? They have to do the unlearn, relearn and learn. Unlearn the traditional method of learnings. In my mind, a lot of traditional way of thinking, that maybe unnecessary things and negativity will be there. We have to unlearn and relearn the positivity. Relearn the old, we have quality, the hard work, commitment, how we are interacting with the people, the quality life. We have to relearn. We may be forgetting all those things. We have to relearn. And finally, we have to learn new things. We have to keep on improving ourselves. The focusing on the new areas, new techniques. The lifelong learner, the continuous learner will keep improve ourselves. We'll move on to the next step. Will help you to reach the destination. To summarize, whether it's a self-learning or formal learning, as individuality, as a leadership, is really matters. If you want to take action, you can see the results.